To use routine to comfortably stream videos without interruption on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you can add streaming videos routine to your routine list. To do so, to swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. Next, tap compass like icon at the top right to view all preloaded routine. Tap get the best media experience and then select streaming video. Here you can review the condition and action on this routine so that you will know what conditions are needed to run this routine and what will happen when this routine is running. Once done, tap save to add this routine to your routine list. Tap the back key. With this routine on your list, when you open the selected app, in this case YouTube, your phone will adjust some setting to give you the best experience while streaming video on YouTube, such as automatically turn on Wi-Fi, set the Dolby Atmos to auto, turn on Do Not Disturb mode, and set the screen rotation to auto rotate. To stop this routine from running, close the app, in this case YouTube. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.